अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. This is going to be the third video of this lesson. The title of the lesson is The Ailing Planet based on environment, the green movements role. A very easy lesson to understand. I have already uploaded 2 videos of this lesson. This is the third video and this is going to be the part of your coming exam, midterm exam. So request you to read this lesson nicely. Let's begin to read from the place where we stopped last time. I request all the students to have the textbook in your hand so you can understand well. If you have any question, feel free to contact me or write in the comment box given below the video. Let's begin to read. I'm reading from page number 45. Yes. It has been well said that forest precede mankind. Forest come before mankind. Desert follow, then after human beings has created deforestation. The world's ancient patrimony. Patrimony means property inherited from forefathers. That is called patrimony. The world's ancient patrimony of tropical forest is now eroding at the rate of 45 to 50 million acres a year. Just imagine, this is very old data, that 40 to 51 million is 10 lakh. 40 to 50 million acre of land is converting into desert. This much green land is converting into desert per year. 40 to 50 million acre of land turn into a desert and it's eroding, right? And the growing use of dung, you must be knowing it. The growing use of dung for burning deprive the soil of an important natural fertilizers. This dung is very good for the land, for the cultivation, right? And it is used for burning purpose, and it will deprive the soil of important natural fertilizers. The World Bank estimates that 5-fold increase in the rate of forest planting is needed. The World Bank estimates that 5-fold increase in the rate of forest planting is needed to cope with the expected fuel wood demand in the year 2000. It is 2020. Very old textbook and very old article. We have to grow more and more trees in 5-fold times in order to meet the demand of population. James Spath, the president of the World Resources Institute, said the other day, we were saying that we are losing the forest at an acre a second, but it is much closer to an acre and a half to a second. Oh my God. He says that we are losing an acre of land per second, but it will be less than second in future. Let me explain you in nutshell. Precede, come before in order or position. Patrimony, property inherited from father or ancestor. Deprive means prevent person from using something. Forest and desert come first in order in comparison to humans. The ancient inheritance of tropical forest is constantly eroding away at the rate of 40 to 50 million acres a year. Also, the burning of dung is preventing the soil to become a natural fertilizers. To meet the need for fuel wood demand, there is a need to increase the rate of forest plantation by 5-fold by the year 2020. We are losing the forest closer to an acre and a half to a second, according to James Spath, president of the World Resource Institute. Let us begin. I am reading the further paragraph. Article 48 of the Constitution of India provides that the state shall endeavour to protect and improve the environment and to safeguard the forest and wildlife of the country. There is an Article 48 in our Constitution which give guarantee to a state that it is the responsibility of the state, according to Article 48, to protect the environment of the state, to protect and to provide clean environment and to protect the environment and improve the environment. There is. But what causes endless anguish is the fact that laws are never respected nor enforced in India. Laws are there only in books in our country. They are never put into practice and they are never forced, they are never enforced in our country. They are there just only in the Constitution. For instance, and writer is giving an example. For instance, the Constitution says that casteism, we don't have casteism in our faith, we don't have casteism. But there is a casteism in Hinduism. Casteism, untouchability, we don't have untouchability also. But casteism, untouchability and bonded labor shall be abolished. But they flourish shamelessly even after 44 years of the operation of the Constitution. There is a law of casteism and untouchability. If someone is following this system, he can be behind the bar, there can be a case, he will be imprisoned for 5 years in jail. But who is imprisoned? Who is there fighting against, who is there taking action? Untouchability still prevail in our country, child labor still prevail in our country, casteism still prevail in country. Who is there fighting against this? The laws are there only in books, they are not put into practice. A recent report of Parliament's Estimate Committee has highlighted the near catastrophic depletion of India's forest over the last 4 decades. India, according to reliable data, is losing its forest at the rate of 3.7 million acre a year. Means 37 lakh acre, that much 37 lakh acre land we are losing it, according to this data. Large areas officially designated as a forest land are already virtually treeless. This much 37 lakh acre of land we are losing it, and it turned into a desert. It turned into a concrete world of this we have started constructing buildings over it, or it turned into just a desert. The actual loss of forest is estimated to be about 8 times the rate indicated by the government statistics. Now let me explain in a nutshell. According to Article 40A of the Constitution of India, the state should try to protect and improve the environment and must protect the forest and wildlife of the country. But the painful fact is that laws are not followed in India. For example, casteism, untouchability and bonded labor. They are abolished. They are no more. It's a crime to follow all these systems, but are still followed shamelessly. Over the last 4 decades, India is losing forest at a harmful rate of 3.7 million acre a year, as per the report of Parliament Estimate Committee. The large area of forest land is now treeless, and the actual loss is estimated to be 8 times the rate given by the government statistics. Let's read page number 46. A 3-year study using satellites and aerial photography conducted by United Nations. 3-year study, 3 years observation and research and photo taken in the sky, from the sky, warned that the environment has deteriorated so badly that it is critical in many of the 88 countries investigated. There are 88 countries investigate in which the environment condition, the atmosphere of those countries are haphazards. It's danger, it's in critical stage. There can be no doubt that the growth of world population is one of the strongest factor distorting the future of human society. Yeah. One of the main reason for the bad environment or for deteriorated environment is the increasing of human population. It took mankind more than 1,000,000 years to reach the first billion. पहले फर्स्ट बिलियन यानी कि फर्स्ट बिलियन 1 करोड़ पहुंचने के लिए 10 साल लगे. Right? It took mankind more than 1,000,000 years to reach the first billion. Oh, not million years. Oh my God! It took mankind more than 1,000,000 years to reach first billion. That was the world. Billion means 100 crore. Yes, that was the world population around the year in 1800. By the year 1900, a second billion was added. Within only 100 years, one more billion is added. It took only 100 years. Understood? And the 20th century has added another 3.7 billion. My God. The present world population is estimated 5.7 billion. It's not actual population just in 2020 is more than 6 billion. Every 4 days the world population increased by 1 million. Every 4 days means 1 million is 10 lakh. So every 4 days 10 lakh population is increasing. People have no control over population. They just keep on increasing their population. Let me explain you. According to the 3-year study conducted by the United Nations using satellites and aerial photography, our environment has got so bad that in 88 countries, if it has reached the critical stage, growth of world population at such fast rate is one of the strongest reasons behind the distortion of future of mankind. When it took more than 1,000,000 years to reach the first billion population, in the next 100 years, the population number increased by the next billion numbers. In the 20th century, the population reached 3.7 billion and the present number is 5.7 billion. Presently, the case is of the population increasing by 1 million every 4 days. Fertility falls as income rise. Yes, obviously, education spread and health improves if fertility falls. But in India and in state like UP and Bihar, everyone has the entire Indian team in the house, 11 player plus 1 extra. Thus development is the best contraceptive. Yeah, that is the reality. Thus development is the best contraceptive. But development itself may not be possible if the present increase in numbers continue. Yeah, if the population is increasing or it continue like this way, then development will not take place. The rich get richer. This is the condition of our country. The rich get richer and the poor beget. The poor beget means produce or give birth to. The poor give birth children which condemn them to remain poor. And poor just give birth to poor children and they remain in poverty only. More children does not mean more work. More children does not mean more workers, merely more people without work. And this is the condition of our country. It is not suggested that human beings be treated like a cattle and compulsory sterilized. But there is no alternative to voluntary family planning without introducing an element of coercion. The choice is really between control of population and perpetuation of poverty. It is up to us. Let me explain in nutshell. Beget means give life to, condemn means find guilty or something, sterilize, make free from bacteria or other microorganism. or there is a sterilize also. Voluntary done or given one's free will, caution, force, perpetuation, keep going. Development is the best possible solution for overpopulation. It can help in reduction in fertility and rise in income, to spread more education and improvement in health. But if the number of population will keep increasing, it may not help in attaining any kind of development. As the rich get richer, and the poor birth children who are bound to remain poorer. More population will lead to more unemployment. Humans should not be treated like cattle who are sterilized by force. Yeah. But to control population, some element of force has to be put on for family planning. Now humans have to choose between population control and keep up with the poverty. We have two options. Either if you want your population, then give birth to a children, and if you want development, then stop giving birth to a children. Means unlimited. I will rest of the lesson I will inshallah increase. We will begin the fourth video from here. Request all the students to go through this video. Thank you for listening me patiently, and thank you for watching my video so patiently. Jazakallah and Mabruk Yawm al-Juma Sayyidul Ayyam. Today is the great day, Yawm al-Juma, day of Eid. Let us rejoice indeed. I request all the students, including sisters and brothers, to remember me in your dua, right? Allah Hafiz.